How to delete previous resume in LinkedIn. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your previously linked CVs or resumes on LinkedIn. So first thing what you can do is just head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser, just click on this your profile icon over here and just tap on this down arrow, and it will open up this settings option. Just tap on this settings and privacy, and once you tap on it, you just have to wait for some time, and under the left section of your screen just tap on this data privacy. So once you click on it, you will be seeing how LinkedIn uses your data, who can reach you, messaging experience, job seeking preference, and other applications like options. So all you have to do is just head over to your job seeking preference and just tap on this job seeking settings. So once you tap on it, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it loads, and here you'll be seeing your uploaded resume. Since I do not have any resume uploaded here, you should be seeing if you have any uploaded resume. So once you have uploaded any resume, you will be seeing the three dot icon right next to that particular submitted resume. You can simply tap on it and just click on delete button over there, and you will have successfully deleted your previously linked resume and just upload a new one by simply tapping on this button over here. So that is exactly how you can easily delete your previously linked resume on LinkedIn. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.